The BMW emergency call system, also known as eCall, is a critical safety feature designed to automatically contact emergency services during severe accidents. The system activates automatically when airbags deploy or manually when you press the red SOS button. It transmits your vehicle's location and crash data to emergency responders. When the system malfunctions, you'll see specific warning messages on your dashboard. These include emergency call system malfunction, intelligent emergency call not available, or a flashing SOS button. System malfunctions have four main categories of causes. Understanding these helps identify what might be wrong with your emergency call system. Cellular connectivity problems are the most common cause. These include poor network coverage, SIM card failures, and carrier network changes that affect older vehicles. Hardware component failures involve physical parts like the telematics control unit, GPS antenna, emergency call module, or damaged wiring harnesses. Software problems include firmware bugs, integration conflicts with other vehicle systems, and expired service subscriptions. Environmental factors like extreme weather, moisture, and electromagnetic interference can also cause malfunctions. Understanding these malfunction causes helps you identify when your BMW emergency call system needs attention. Regular maintenance and staying aware of warning signs ensures this critical safety feature works when you need it most. When your BMW emergency call system malfunctions, start with these three basic reset methods that can resolve many common issues. Method 1. Turn off your vehicle completely and wait 10 to 15 minutes. This allows all electronic systems to fully power down and reset. This simple method resolves about 30% of minor software glitches. Method 2. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for at least 30 minutes. This performs a deeper system reset and resolves about 50% of software-related issues. Always disconnect the negative terminal first for safety. Method 3. Reset connected drive through your iDrive system. Navigate to Settings, then General, then Reset. Select Reset Connected Drive and follow the on-screen prompts. Your vehicle must be stationary for this procedure. If basic reset methods fail, professional diagnostic tools are required. BMW ESTA software can read specific diagnostic trouble codes that identify the exact problem with your emergency call system. Common diagnostic trouble codes include 9C7A for hardware faults, 9C7B for SIM card communication errors, 9C7C for GPS signal failures, and 9C7D for network registration timeouts. These codes help technicians identify the specific component causing the malfunction. Repair costs vary significantly based on the issue. Software updates or resets typically cost $150 to $300. SIM card replacement ranges from $200 to $400. More serious issues like TCU replacement can cost $800 to $1,500. Prevention is key to avoiding malfunctions. Keep your software updated, regularly test the emergency call functionality, and include the system in routine service checks. If multiple reset attempts fail or you see persistent warning messages, seek professional help immediately.